Mission and Vision. La Concepcion College envisioned herself to be one of the forefront educational institutions that serve as catalysts of change for the holistic development of the community, the country, and the Asian region. Inspired by the motherly care and ideas of Mary Immaculada Concepcion and guided by the core values that befits the true Elsicians, LCC dedicates herself in the pursuit of her purpose of inspiring her students and stakeholders to be in their fullest potential by cultivating minds, capturing hearts, and changing lives to become better individuals of the society. Because LCC aims to be better lives for the better you. Core values. A true Elsicians is characterized by leadership, competitiveness, and culture of excellence. LCC hymn. We compete with self. We are proud decisions. For our march we are yet. We are proud decisions, guided with a motherly care. LCC mark we bear. We praise you and salute you. Forever we say thank you for keeping your church aflame. While we strive heads up high, taking pride in your name, there LCC, alma mater, you raised us to be better. Your trust is to serve us all, molding us to be bright, so we here standing tall. We uphold your core values, all we learn we be of use. LCC brings out the best in you, changing lives for the better you. LCC brings out the best in you, changing lives for the better you.